Hello everyone, I am MD Rezwanur Rahman Khan from Brainstation 23, working as a lead software engineer. Today I'd like to share one of our success stories in process automation. We recently worked with a leading US-based accounting firm to automate their manual tax file archival process using Microsoft Power Automate. Their team was spending countless hours manually retrieving, validating and archiving tax binders, a process that was time-consuming and error-prone. One major challenge was the tight timeline to meet compliance requirements. So we needed an automated, auditable and accurate solution within a very short window. Our goal was to design a fully API-driven workflow that could handle everything end-to-end, from task retrieval to validating and archiving binders and managing exceptions through automated alert. Instead of traditional RPA setup, we choose API-based automation approach, making the solution faster, reliable, and easier to maintain. We also build a Power BI reporting dashboard to give the client's operational teams full visibility into the process, from task tracking to performance insights. Despite the challenges, our team delivered the production-ready solution 1 month ahead of schedule. It significantly improved compliance, accuracy and efficiency, and it also led to additional automation projects from the client. So this project reaffirms that automation tools like Microsoft Power Automate, Azure Logic Apps and N8N can turn manual and repetitive processes into seamless digital workflows. At Brainstation 23, we're passionate about helping organizations automate processes, enhance visibility and drive true business value through intelligent automation. Thank you.